How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the sensitivity on your Thrustmaster T80. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, changing the sensitivity for T80 is not that complicated, and the most recommended way to do this is to just navigate through your in-game setting. So basically, from here, I have different examples. The first one is going to be Assetto Corsa. Now from here, you want to navigate through your controls and make sure that the input mode is on wheel. From there, you could edit out something like the gain, the filter, and many more. And for something like one of the most popular games out there, which is going to be Forza Horizon 6, it's going to be the setting right here. We have the steering sensitivity, off-road feel scale, and many more. And for the last example, I have Gran Turismo 7. So we have the buttons configuration, and then we have the controller steering sensitivity. So that's the easiest way to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.